Welcome to the Salmon Runs YouTube. Enjoy the video.
You enter Chapter 3 and act immediately. Equip the grab pack and keep tape ready. Move to the main hallway while crouching to limit noise, then scan for the blue keycard locker. Once you have the keycard, use tape to fasten movable crates into a stable climb platform. This lets you reach higher vents and prevents backtracking. Make sure to check both sides of the corridor for hidden doors, because the level hides alternate routes that cut time and exposure to enemies. You tackle the core puzzles now. Focus on the valve puzzle first by aligning the 3 gauges to their green zones. Rotate valves in small increments and check indicators. Once done, route through the vent network to approach puzzle rooms from behind, because vents reduce patrol encounters. If enemies close in, create distractions, toss a toy or drop a crate to pull them away, then slip past. Keep moving between objectives. Lingering raises risk. So you finalize Chapter 3 by powering the final generator. Follow its startup sequence and watch the indicator light turn solid. Once the elevator unlocks, approach cautiously and press the call button. Make sure to clear nearby enemies first. If the elevator stalls, use the emergency door override panel to manually open the shaft and climb, or trigger the secondary sequence. If things go wrong, you get spotted. Hide in the nearest locker or backtrack 1 room to reset enemy paths, then retry calmly.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.